Well, if everything goes well and everyone wants this really to happen, we can provide at a regional level a 100% coverage of food for everyone. I think that is possible. If you calculate the available space that is not used for anything else at the moment in Amsterdam, it is around 12.5% of the total area. And on this area, if you use that for urban agriculture production, we can feed 25% of the local population of Amsterdam. So if you take the city and then you take the area around it like 4 times the area, that is enough to grow all the food that you need. The other thing is that we need to change the diet itself, because if we keep on eating the way we do, there's never going to be enough space for all the food for everyone.